Morning, one and all present here. I'm Nandhini, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering at the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today, we are going to see a topic in data analytics on a little history on the methodologies for data analytics. What is the history of data analytics? Data analytics has a rich history from 1960s, which is mainly focused on how it has been analyzed using the statistical data, how it has evolved with the technological advances. In 1980s, it is related with an databases, which is more efficient data storage one. Next one in 1990s, it is rich in the data warehousing and the development of online analytical processing systems for complex queries. In 2000s, it is mainly established in a mass data becomes a more common open source tools like we use an emerging tools like an Hadoop, distributed processing tools, machine learning, AI, etc. We are using in 2000s. And recently, we are using an advanced cloud computing tool in AIs, which is used to transfer the data analyticals. After that, we use an algorithm for insights. Concepts like the data science and artificial intelligence, pivot roles are being used in these histories. In this mainly, machine learning knowledge. We have seen that in 1990s, it has been either research have been taken advanced, quick research have been given, and industrial experts of methodologies were being published here. After that, the most successful the methodologies means what are the methodologies we use in data science. The methodologies we use here is there are two methodologies we can use in data analytics. Several methodologies are there, but we use two. One is the CRISP DM methodology, that is cross industrial standard processing for data mining methodology, and next one is the TDSP, clean data science processing. This crisp cross-industry data standard processing for data mining consists of many models inside. First one is a business understanding. First, we must, before understanding the business, we must know its objectives, what are the requirements that be needed. After that, data understanding. For what industry you need a data, that data you need to get the understanding of that data, then the data preparation is done. Data preparation is nothing but you the understanding of data that you got, you must clean the data, pre-process the data, and transfer the data for analytics. Then modeling, various model techniques are being used to prepare a data, then it is getting evaluated. How it is evaluated? It is evaluated using its performance and refined as we needed in this process. Next one is deployment. After you understand the product, you prepare the product, model the product, evaluate the product, deploy the product, and you are going to monitor it. Deploying is nothing but implementing that model and seeing whether it works properly or not. Next one is monitoring. After deploying it, how it works, what are the errors we get, how we can remove that errors, these are all we are going to see. Next one is a team data science process. In this methodology, history of data science, in this team data science process methodology, same as a business understanding. Similar to CRISP, we must focus on the business goals. Second one is a data acquisition and understanding. Data understanding. First, we must understand the data. Acquisition is nothing but exploring about that particular fields. Many data have been explored. Modeling. We must model that with the help of collaborating with the team, talking to them, easily collaborating with them, that and all we need to do. Next one is a deployment. Integrate that models, previous models and the next models and future how it will be working, like that you must think and integrate that models. Then is customer acceptance. If you need to say that your data is perfect and you need to convince the customer that this is correct, and you must not tell them it is the correct decision you have taken. Maintaining, monitoring, and updating these ongoing efficiency is known as a maintenance. Both these methodologies are a common stages which are emphasized using team-based approaches. So team must be there to approaches, and an iterative process has been done again and again to get this similar way of this approach. Next one is we have seen in 1999 First version was presented. After the 2016 and 2018, a new discovery of version was been directed. Then we have seen about the CRISP methodology. CRISP stands for CRISP integrated standard process methodology. It has been using. DM stands for data mining. DM stands for data mining. The CRISP stands for cross industry standard processing for data mining. These models are been some examples. These models we have seen these five: data understanding, data preparation, how it is get modeled, how it is evaluated, and how it is deployed. After that, the history of this model in 1999 we have done. After this CRISP DM is nowadays used by many different partnerships for several corporations. That is, several corporations uses it with the help of an IBM. At the age we need to prepare this, how it is getting developed, how these are being used in an easier way than this SAS. The SAS has been used. Other methodologies are been existing, but the specific one we are using is an CRISP methodology. Because this CRISP methodology is very easy and useful for the people, which consists of widely used methodology, because this data analytics field consists of data analytics and data mining. Mining means extracting a smaller or a larger amount of data. Extracting a larger information into a smaller one is known as a data CRISP methodology. This methodology gives the field experts to explain the standard information, and then to mine that data from with the help of that experts. After that, an empathize and ideate process has been done to that process. After that, reflecting it is continuously refinement and improvement has been involved to it, extracting the valuable insights for these data. After that, a rich history has been given from 1916, 1990s, and 2000, because this data analytics plays a very major role in nowadays. So the history stands from 1960s, which mainly focuses on many standardized analysis technologies, which gives an a relational databases which is more efficient to the people to use it. Then massive data has been combined. Open source tools have been, many things have been used in this data analytics. This data analytics tools helps us to reduce the work time, easily gather the information, easily we can give the correct information to the people. Likewise, it is been given for many of the peoples. So in recent or advanced stages, a pivot table has been used, or which plays an amazing role for the staffs, students, who uses the corporate people, industry people, who and all uses this data science. This is a vast history we must be reading from top to bottom. So this CRISP stands for cross industry standard process, which is also known as a data mining process. This analytical data are being visualized in the form of pie chart, bar chart, scattered charts, statistical analysis, historical analysis. Like this, many of the histories are being given here. Thank you so much.